Hey guys, Chris Dunn here with Boogie Tech. Good to see all y'all. We're going to talk a little bit about the channel. We kind of did a little intro and told you a little bit about the channel, but we're going to tell you what we're in store for this year. We're building a drag week engine, which we have called Huff and Puff, that's going to go in the Boogie Man. We're going to be running drag week, short of them not canceling it, which we hope they don't. That's just one thing, and we're going to go step by step through that. We're not only going to show you about us building Huff and Puff, we're going to actually show you us building a trailer. We're going to build the little aluminum trailer in-house. We're going to put the hitch on the car. We got to put a parachute mount on it because, yeah, we're going to be going that fast. We got to have us a parachute. It's going to be interesting, man. It's going to be fun. That is just one thing that you're going to follow us from week to week to week until September. And we're going to be filming live at Drag Week. So you'll be able to tune in every single day and catch up with what we're doing at Drag Week. We're running A-gas, pull force, go Boogie Man. Second thing, we're going to talk about all kinds of stuff we're going to do in the shop this year. We're also going to do a Chevy 2 4-door, but we're going to do it with a twist. We're going to put a modern suspension, Mustang 2 suspension up under it. We're going to put an 8.8 Ford rear end in it. We're going to kind of walk you through all of that. But here's the kicker. We're going to drop this blower motor in it when we're done. And if y'all guys have watched any of these guys in Australia that do these burnout contests with these cars with big old badass screw blowers, that's what we're going to do. We're going to blow the tires off of this little stock 4-door Nova with a big blower motor in it. It's going to be fun. Not counting all the fabrication stuff that we're going to try to show you guys that you can do at home, because I've had to ask people in my lifetime for advice and help, and I want to give back. If you have a question ever, or you want us to talk about a topic, you know, leave in the comments below. We will check it, and we will promise you do our best to answer your question. Tip of the day is going to be talking about the bronze bushing that you put in the back of your crankshaft, which is for the input shaft snub, which keeps it lined up. I had a good friend here recently that had put a new bushing in his car. Then he went to the track, did some testing. Next thing you know, the bushing is now done got hot, wore out, and he can't figure out, does he have an alignment problem? Does he have this? Does he have that? It all goes back to this brand new bushing. When he drove the bushing in, if it's really, really tight, it will swell this hole smaller. And if you do not clearance this hole to make sure that shaft fits in there with quite a few thousandths of play, it creates heat, starts melting the bronze, which now attaches to the shaft, which now wallers this out, and here you are on race day and you can't race. So remember, anytime you put a bronze bushing in, make double, triple check that that input shaft or a tool you make that's the same size has the proper clearance. Thank you, Chris Dunn, tip of the day.